and gentlemen, welcome back to Souter Motors. J-Lap with you. Today, I've got a fifth wheel for you. This is a 2013 Forest River Wildcat 312BHX. It is the extra light series, so we have a 33-foot fifth wheel that only weighs 11,700-ish pounds fully loaded. It is a bunkhouse layout. We've got two slides. We are going to open it up, show you the outside, show you the inside. Let's get to it. All right, we got the Wildcat opened up here. Power awning. Underneath. We've got the aluminum wheels. Again, we are trying to keep this thing light. So 11,000 pounds, fully loaded, 33 feet long, 2013 model. Pass-through storage, you do have the lights, you got the cable hook up there. 30 amp extension cord plus adapters. Got the wheel blocks. You got everything is packaged up very nicely here for us. So you got your hose and everything under there, water hose as well. Nice pass-through space. Got a propane tank over here. Front compartment, battery disconnect. Right up there, you got your power front jacks. Other side propane. Other side of the pass-through. Like I said, some storage there. Here's our hookups. So you got your drains, you got your hookup, city water, all that jazz. Outdoor shower, right in there. Lights in all compartments. First slide right there, that's the bedroom. Second slide, living room, tank dumps. Again, great tread on the tires. Got scissoring stabilizing jacks for the back. Roof access. Got 30 amp hookup right here. Tank fill. And a beautiful large outdoor kitchen with both a grill and a stove. Hookup propane. Sink, drop-down TV, outdoor fridge with an ice maker. Look at that. Oh no, that's just the freezer. No ice maker. I didn't say that. Fridge, and then we've got the TV, like I said, entertainment, 2-burner stove, plus we got the grill and the propane hookup for that right there. And then we've got the nice laminated sides, which give you good insulation. And that is the exterior. Let's head on inside. All right. Here we are. Interior. A nice little overview here. Starting the living space, obviously, we've got our sofa with some overhead storage in the slide out. Right next to a huge U-shaped dinette. This sofa will pull out into a bed. That U-shaped dinette will fold down into a bed, letting you sleep up to 4 out here. Got a bunkhouse in the back. Got our kitchen area right here. Entertainment right there. Nice large TV. Got your radio, CD player, DVD player, all that jazz right there. We've got our control panel. Heat's on right now. Slide outs, awning, lights, water pump, water heater, And then our tank readers right here. Got some storage built around there. Our hallway to the front. We might as well just get this all done right now. To the left, we have our bathroom, vanity sink, medicine cabinet, GFI, toilet. We've got a power vent up top, and then a nice big corner shower. Lots of space in this bathroom. And then the other nice thing is this is our other slide out. It is a wardrobe slide out, which gives you master access as well as very deep storage, legitimate, useful storage. And this gets you into your master, which you can also access from the hallway, obviously. But this slide out gives you some additional space as far as end tables. We can walk around the entire queen bed here. And then you've got your little reading lights up top there. This has one AC unit in this guy. It is ducted, and then you also have a vent. TV gets hooked up there. And this brings you out the hallway. Into the kitchen. Got ourselves solid Corian countertops. Plenty of storage above, but then also we've got this nice drawer section right here. So good storage. And then the other thing is we've got a lot of countertop space, which is great to have. Got your double sink with your fancy schmancy nozzle. Microwave for microwaving things. 3-burner gas stove with the oven. Right next to you here, you've got your Dometic gas or electric refrigerator freezer combo. That would have been the refrigerator, that would be the freezer. And then we do have additional storage here. And in the back, we've got our bunks. Ladder built in. Got one up top, 2 in the middle, 3 on the bottom. Cargo nets. Comes with its own stool. Look at that. It's an amazing, look, it even says, it's an amazing foldable stool. Amazing. Got some wardrobe space here. And then you've got your top bunk. And all of our bunks have their own lights. There's one. There's one. Look at that. So that would be it for the interior of the Wildcat. If you folks have any questions, give us a call at Souder Motors. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Fantastic.